Hello guys, welcome to fourth part of Learn Facebook Ads series in 2024. This video is going to be about Meta Business Suite, like what all controls you have within Meta Business Suite. In first part, I gave you an overview of overall business suite. This one is going to be about just all the controls and all the features you have within the business suite and what all things you can do. This will not be as long video as the first one because it was basically an overview video. This one is going to be more about the controls and all those things within the business suite, because the next video in this part is going to be about how to create an ads account, how to do things within the ad account, right? How to add pages and Instagram page in WhatsApp account, Facebook page, and all those things, right? So before that, before you we move on to that part, we need to understand that what is possible within business suite and what is possible within the ads manager, right? So there is a clear bifurcation between an ads manager and a business suite, right? So whenever someone is like someone is saying things like I do these things inside the business suite or do these things inside the ads manager, so you have an understanding that which controls ads manager is giving you and which controls are possible and which controls are provided within the business suite, right? So whenever you want to go to the business suite, you have to simply go to the business.facebook.com URL, right? This link. So this is going to take you to the business suite. Whenever you are logging into it, if your business suite is not created, then it will take you to the page. Otherwise, it will also take you to the business suite of your personal account. If you have a business page and business suite created for your business and professional account, then it will take you to this Facebook page of this overview of your business page. And if you want to navigate, so here if you go into the drop down, you can simply see that I have already created a business portfolio of ABC Roofing, and within that I have already taken the Facebook page and Instagram business page of ABC Roofing, right? And if you want to create a new business portfolio, right? So I have already discussed about how to create business suite and ads manager, Facebook, like not ads manager, not ad account, but Facebook business suite and Facebook page and Instagram account in my past videos, which you can find on my channel, right? So this business suite is already created. That's why whenever we are logging in from here, we can see that this page is available, the Instagram page is available, and what all controls we have here. But if it is not created, then you will see a page and profile of your personal account, right? And if you want to create a business portfolio, that also you can do from right from here. You have to click on to create a business portfolio. Here you it will ask you the name of your business portfolio name. So ideally you should keep it as whatever is your business name, right? My business name is ABC Roofing, which I created just for showing you all. We can use ABC Roofing here, right? ABC Roofing, basically that is going to be our business name. Here you have to write name of the person who is going to manage this ad account, right? Or manage this business suite. So this person who is going to create this is going to be the person with all controls, right? This person is going to be the admin of this business suite. So you can enter your name. If you are going to handle, then you can enter your name, or if someone you are creating on someone else's behalf, you can put on their name as well. Now business email address, you have to be very careful. You don't have to put an email address which is your business email address or which you are using for business purposes. No, this email address, you can read it here. You will use this email address to contact you about your business. It won't be visible to your customers, right? So whole purpose of get this mail id is where you will be getting all the emails related to your business suite. Now this email should be the same email which you have used for your for creating your Facebook profile. If the email is different, then whenever you are sharing access and whenever you are receiving access, or you are getting confirmation codes also, because Facebook has introduced this new feature, new security feature, where what they are doing is whenever you are sharing access or you are removing someone from your business suite, they are asking you to confirm your email, and then they are sending you a 6-digit code on your email that after you enter that code, you will be able to remove that person or add someone or invite someone for access. So that is going to be another challenge for you if you are using some other email, and by any means it happens a lot, right? It happens a lot with many of the people. I meet with a lot of business owners and I discuss with them. So we see this challenge, we see this problem on a recurring basis, that they forget whichever like whatever mail ID they have put here when they were creating the business suit. And now what happens is, now they don't have an idea from where they are going to get mails. So it's very difficult for us. Now what we have to do in this case is, we have to change the mail ID in either on the profile or here. And here you cannot change, because once you have entered here, it is not going to give you this option again. So then you have to change again from going to the profile, and it just adds to the hassles, right? Why you want to make it difficult and complicated? So use the same email ID which you have used while creating your profile, and it will be easy for you. We have already created it, so we won't create it, we'll cancel it. So and all the profiles, so if you are a freelancer or if you are a agency owner and you want to see what all profiles you have, so you can just click on this drop down, this option, and you can get all the names of the business suits and ad accounts and profiles which you have access for, right? All the business assets you will get, you can search from here. It is very easy. If you are confused, like whichever access you have or whichever access you don't have, you can easily find from here, right? And whenever you click on this settings icon, it will take you to the business settings page. What all controls you have here is, let's check them one by one. So this is basically the page where you are like where you can give access, or you can check access, or if you want to remove someone, you can remove someone also. So from here you can click on invite, right? And say someone, if you want to invite into your business portfolio, say you are a business owner and you are hiring some agency, or you are hiring some freelancer, or even you want to add some like someone from your staff and someone from your company, someone from your team to your ad account, and you want them to manage, you need not share your ID and password, right? Because people obviously are skeptical about sharing their credentials, share their login ID and password. So you don't need to do it. You can simply add their email address, right? You can simply add their email address, and then once you click it, once you click next, so obviously whenever you are not clicking on this, it will show you temporary exit. This next button will not be like available to click. But see, whenever you are entering this mail ID, right, you can see this next option is not clickable. How you can make it clickable? Now say you don't want to give temporary access, you want to give a permanent access, the access which is not going to expire over some days. So what you can do is, you have to click here, or you can just put an enter. It will make this next available. Or what you can do is, you can simply enter the mail and you can click here. I will put the legit mail, that's why it's not letting me click here. If you click here, now if you, after entering the mail, if you click anywhere else, not in the box but anywhere else, it will allow you to click on next. Once you click on next, then there you have a lot of options, like what all controls you want to give. Do you want to give them partial access, or do you want to give them full control? So if you are adding someone for temporary basis and you don't want them full control of your ad account or your business manager, so after having full control, they can even remove you as well. So be aware of this thing, right? Full control, give only full control to people you trust completely, right? If you have a risk of losing your ad account, then don't give the full control. They can easily manage on like partial access as well, right? Partial access is easily manageable. Like and apps and integrations are again set up conversion API, monitor events, edit application, then easy access tokens. So all those things. Now I have told you about difference between partial access and full control. Now if you are giving full control, then the person has absolute control over your business manager. They can add people, they can remove people, they can take access for any other assets which you have within your business suite. Because then you cannot control things, right? Because a person, if you have given the full control of a business suite, then a person will have access to all the assets which you have inside your business suite. So anything and everything inside the business suite is accessible to that person. So be aware, you have to be aware of this thing. Now once you click on manage full control everything, then it will also so see, it also gives you warning, right? To help you keep your business portfolio secure, we recommend that you limit the number of people you can control your portfolio. because a lot of time what happens is some agencies are like that. They will take full control, and then for some or the other reason they will not even let you control your business suit. They will like limit your access, right? So I have seen this happening with a lot of business owners. So when you are giving your access, be make sure that you trust them completely. Otherwise you can even make do with partial access, right? Now advanced options. So advanced option will have a role of a finance editor, right? Finance editor role is basically for adding funds, managing funds, removing credit cards, removing payment methods, adding payment methods, whatever payment method Meta is providing you. You can give either finance option is mostly with the business owner, mostly with the person who is responsible for adding or removing the funds, adding or removing the payment methods, funds, and all those things. But say if you are you are an agency and you are managing this on behalf of your client, then you will also need to take this manage role from them. Then you will have to. So finance editor role is basically for the person who is going to make changes in the finance section. The person who is not having finance editor role will not be able to add or remove finance related things, neither payment methods nor they can do anything with it, right? So again, make sure whom you are giving this. So after you click next, uh, now it will ask you. So obviously you have added people, you have assigned them access, you have assigned them. So there are four layers, right? First is add people, you enter the email address and you click on it. Next is assign access, so it will ask you either partial access or full access, what access you want to give them. The next thing is assign business assets. Now here it will ask which assets you want to give them access to. So do you want them to access Facebook page, do you want them to. So once you click on Facebook page, it will again ask you confirm selection, again ask you what all controls you want to give. Right now, see how many levels of access are there. People get confused in this a lot. So understand this thing that here the access was for business suite, right? Business suite is a master business account, right? It's a master business account where you can have access to multiple business assets, right? Say you have own five businesses, and all those five businesses, pages, Instagram accounts, Facebook accounts, ad accounts, pixels, everything can be within that business suite, right? That is a master business rule. You have given account access. If you have given full control from here, you have given master business access to all the assets, to all the business assets within your business suite, if you are inviting someone. Next is it will ask you for this particular asset what all controls you want to give. Now understand this thing. If you have given someone full access here and you only give partial access here to someone, they can easily convert it to full control. They can get the full control of it. So you make sure of this, right? People make mistakes that they think I have given here full control, but here only I'm going to give partial access. So what they can do, they can only control partial, will only have a partial access. No, they will have this option of taking full control from this and even removing you also if they want to, right? So again, be very mindful of what level of access you are giving, right? So all those access you want to give and also access you want to take, you can manage from here. So if say I only want to see here, also you can see if I am giving them only partial access, they do have access of managing and running ads, right? So it's nowhere mandatory that you have to give full control only to give someone. You have to give full control of some any business asset for them to manage ads, for them to be able to manage ads. No, they can manage ads on the partial asset access also. Next thing is it will ask you to send invitation that you have to review and it will also show you you are adding which person, this person onto your business portfolio, and what portfolio and assets you are sharing with them. You are sharing ABC roofing business suite, and within that you are giving full control. So it also shows what all like controls you have given. You have given full control, you have given finance editor role as well, and then you have given partial access also to what with ABC roofing Facebook page, right? So all these things will be available here. If you want to reconfirm that, you want to recheck that I don't want to give full control, you can simply go back and change the access levels from here, right? Similarly, for it will ask you for Facebook Instagram account. It is not letting me choose Instagram account because it is asking for login, and all those assets which you have for different businesses, related to different businesses, like ad account. We have not created ad account, we'll be creating it in next video. And then once you create your ad account, it will also be visible in this drop down menu, right? And then after that you will get pixel, you have conversion API, you have business catalogs, like Shopify catalog and all those things. All those assets will be visible here, and you can choose whatever you want to give access to, right? So we will go back. You have seen how to give access, right? Yes, close. Now I told you that how to remove access. Now this, if I want to remove access, once I'll click, if you see, if you want to click on what kind of access you want to give to people and what are accesses they have. Now what you can do is you can simply click on whichever profile you want to click and check what access they have. You click on this profile, and here you will see what all accesses they have. They have access to business portfolio, they have full control for ABC roofing, they have one page and one Instagram ad account, one Instagram account access. Now say they don't have an access for ad account, so they will ask that I please assign me like ad account also. So you can simply do it from here, assign assets. You will see all those assets here which are created. So Facebook page, I have I'm able to see ABC roofing. Instagram account, I'm able to see ABC roofing, it is already assigned. And if I have created ad account, I will also see it from here. So since ad account is not available, I will not be getting that option. Whatever assets there are available, you will get access. You will get options to assign those assets to someone, right? All those assets will be available. All those options will be available from here. If you want to remove someone, you can click on remove, and it will ask you to remove. Now here only after you click on remove, it asks you to confirm your mail, right? It will send you a code, 6-digit code, and it will ask you to confirm. So that is why I told you that in the start of the like in the very beginning, that please make sure that you enter the right email ID, the one which you have entered for creating your Facebook profile, so there is no confusion and there is no problem later on. After this, you have what all options you have. You can see edit info. You can simply click on this and you can change the info for a person. You can manage business portfolio permission. From here also you have this option, and from there also, once you click on this, you will get that option. If you want to limit someone's access to a particular asset, here you can see, here you can enter the name of the asset and you can find like business will say ABC roofing or whatever. And if you want to click on manage, you can click on manage, and you will see what all permissions this person has. Now say if you want to remove access for a particular asset, right? You can simply click on this and remove access, right? So it's as simple as that. If you want to remove, if you want to say give only partial control, then it is asking me for login, but once you log in, you will have all the access. If you want to remove access for this Instagram account, you can simply remove for this one as well. And similarly for this person, so whatever person is added here, you can simply see and make changes to their controls and access levels. Now partner, next is partner. So partner is someone like you are adding them as a partner, or you are taking access as a partner into their business portfolio. Now what will happen is, again here also you have a lot of limitations and lot of controls which you can add on the access. Now but how you will add this person, say for a partner, usually what happens is you give access to their business suite, right? So where will you get this business suite ID? You will have to simply so this is the topmost content of the menu section. If you scroll down and you go down, and here you will see this business assets, right? If you click on this business assets, so you will see all the business assets here. Yeah. So if you scroll down here, you also get this option of business info. It's not showing here as of now, but if you come to the business portfolio info on top, right? We were here like when we were giving access, and this option you can see from here, business portfolio info. Once you click on this, you will get this ID, right? This option is somewhere down here or somewhere, or otherwise it will be up here, right? It will show you this option of business info. Once you click on this business info, you will see this business portfolio ID. This ID you need to give access. Once you click on this, you can take this ID, you will go to the partners, and then you can enter this ID. Now this will give you ID, like this will give you option. Now it is not showing me here, right? But whenever you want to give access to any of the business suite, you just need this ID, and then you can share whatever access you want, right? Give a partner to, so what controls do we have? Give a partner access to your assets and ask a partner to share their assets. Either of the things you can do from here. If you want to ask a partner to share their business assets, now what you have to do is get us started. So it will ask you contact name, contact email, and business portfolio ID. Whose portfolio ID? Your partner's portfolio ID, right? And your contact info will be shared that Tigmanshu Tiwari has requested all these permissions for like your business role. I am a media agency, say I'm a media agency and I want to request an access. So all those access controls will be here, right? And if you want to give partner access to your ID, then you have to enter the same business partner ID, which I have shown you from business portfolio info, right? So all these controls are here. Now pages, again you can see whatever pages access you have. If you want to add any page, you have to simply come here, add existing Facebook page. Now this option is only applicable when you have a Facebook page which you have created or you have an access to, right? Request shared access to Facebook page will be used when you have not created a page, but that page admin is someone else, and you want that page to be used in your ads, right? So you can add from here and create a new Facebook page. Again, you have this option. You can simply create from here and you can use on your ads. Similarly, ad account we have not created, we will be creating on next video. Business asset groups, all these things are available here, right? Which you can see and you can have a look. Instagram account, which one we have, the one we have already added is visible here. If you want to add more, you can simply click on add, and then you can simply click on this: I agree to Instagram terms policy, privacy policy and cookies policy, and then claim Instagram account. Now this will take you to another video, another window where you can simply enter the login details and claim your Instagram account. Similarly, same goes for WhatsApp accounts. There are no WhatsApp business accounts. Remember only WhatsApp business accounts can be used. No personal accounts can be used here, right? So you have to enter your country code. If you're from US, +1, whatever country code, just search from here. Say if you want to search for France, you can enter France and then you can enter the number. It will send you 5-digit code after that for verification. Once you verify, you can simply enter into it and you can add your WhatsApp account, which you can use for your ads. Data sources, all data sources like catalogs, pixels, data sets, custom conversions, business creative folders, shared audiences, all these will be available here, right? Requested will be like if someone has requested you anything, right? Any asset or something, frequently used request or other requests, all those would be visible here, right? Brand safety is for domains and publisher blocklist. So earlier Meta has this condition, like Meta had this condition that you have to verify your domain and all those things for running ads. Now they have removed this limitation as well, so these options are of no use for you. Connected apps and lead access, all these things, if you are like, if you want to see which connected apps are there with your ad account or business suite, you can find from here, right? But we don't have any, so it will not show any for us. Now let's go to billing and payments, right? This is very important. Now a lot of people have these questions that I don't get this option of like adding payments. Where should I add payment? Where should I add like my payment methods and all those things? So once you click onto this, you will see this payment method and all those things. Now see, if I don't have a finance editor role, it will ask me that missing edit permissions to modify billing or payment information or for your business account. Update your role to a finance editor. So I will click on modify permissions and I will simply assign to myself or assign to someone else. If I want to add, I will add assign to myself. Now I am a finance editor. Now I will get this option of adding the payment. So this is something which I mentioned earlier, and as you can see, it will not let you do it. So I guess this video we will have to continue on the next part because it is already getting a little longer. All right, we will continue the second part in another video, right? And I will complete this whole walkthrough of business suite, right? And after that, we will be creating an ad account, and then you can have a look of all the ad accounts which you have here, and you can have separate payment methods for separate ad accounts, right? It works like that. So I will also walk you through for that for those controls, right? So stay tuned for the next part, right? Thanks for watching.